Right, so you've seen us do the steering, bleeding all that through so Ty goes up on the wheel and getting as much air out as we can, and just to get oil through the system. We've topped up the engine, we fill that with oil. We fill the gearbox with its 55 litres of oil. Power steering is filled. So fuel. So I bled all the fuel system and bled it back until getting through the spills, and turned over by hand and bled at some of the injectors. There's just one point where you'll get a spill and it will go through. So that to a few of them, and it should be enough. We have a couple of tiny fuel leaks on the brass crush washers, the copper crush washers on the banjo bolts for the spill return. So that was just leaking when we were hand pumping it. I'll get some of them, that's no big deal. I made up some cables. Just been to town and got a new battery. So, do you know what? I think we'll roll it out. We can steer it now. We'll roll it out, get some water in it, and see what happens, will we? Okay, here we go. Should be okay, diesel. And oh, the brakes are stiff. I need to back them off. Excuse, please. Okay. It's better. Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
Here we go. You see all right? Yeah. Hydraulic oil leak. Okay. Okay. Where is that from? I believe that's it. Problem one. Wow. Super, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's started so easy.
Yeah.
Okay. So the high pressure filter housing, there's a crack in it, you can see there. I'll take that off. Give it welding.
Well.
You're on camera. Wonder how she pops straight away again.
I don't know.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Steering isn't. There's something wrong there.
Yeah. I did see the power pump thing.
The leaking.
Leaking, yeah.
Yeah. I wonder if the hose is on wrong or something. I don't know.
I don't know.
Ah! Isn't the sound incredible?
Yeah. Especially when you rev it as well.
Yeah.
We'll need to fix that leak.
Yeah.
I saw like a bit of oil here.
Yeah, I see it. That's the seal I was telling you about.
Oh. So how many leaks do we have?
We have some fuel leak. We have a split here in the high pressure filter. We have a power steering leak here. We have a leak in there that we can't let it go with, right?
Oh.
Without taking the whole fucking thing off. Yeah. That's going to be so cool rocking up to a place.
Oh yeah.
When you're on tip over.
It sounds so nice when you just started up. It's like
Yeah. Well, that was a happy moment, wasn't it? Yeah, started way easier. Fresh battery, just spun up so quickly. Decent size leads, 35 square, 2 gauge. Crimped on connectors. All those things make a big difference when you're trying to get as much power out of it as possible. So we've some leaks to resolve. We've a power steering issue to resolve. I'm just wondering, are the hoses the wrong way around to and from the motor, the supply and return there. I'm getting a blow of pressure up there, so something's not right there. Couple of small fuel leaks in here, so I need to realign them. I have the pump right on the zero or the midpoint mark, and I was kind of wondering, would I need to advance it a bit? In a worn out engine, that's something you might need to do. But yeah, I'm delighted to say I didn't. There's a split in the bottom of the high pressure hydraulic filter, so I'm gonna have to take that out, take the filter out, gouge it right down through and weld it. I'll weld that up with a 7018 rod or 7016 rod or something crack resistant. Yeah, there's a couple of leaks. Sounds gorgeous, isn't it? Just runs like a mouse's heart. These engines, they're so sweet. They just sound really, really good. Okay, so that's it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. It's a lot of work to get to here, and it gives a good drive to get on and finish the project now and get it going. We're not going to make in the Shannon. That's in 2 weeks when you see this video. We've just too much body work to do, and I didn't want to rush it and do a half-arsed job for the sake of it. I want it done right, as we've done for the rest of the build. Okay, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you all.